Interesting. How concerned should I be? Vlog 3 coming out here. I've already seen fish rising. There's a potential for thunderstorms, actually. I have, concerns bringing out my gear. It's not a GoPro that I'm using to film all this, so I always get a little nervous. I've been eaten up by like 5,000 mosquitoes. So I'm gonna start in a spot right over here. I have zero idea how deep it is. It's sort of hard to tell with the glare at my angle, but it looks to be shallow. I also just watched my footage and from the last 2 sessions. And yeah, my casting and like all this stuff that I've done before on camera and done well, like I've just somehow lost it. So today I'm just gonna, whoosh, you know what I'm saying? Just fucking chill. They're going berserko, aren't they? Missed a fish. I was watching the tippet, and so I tuck cast right there a little bit more, like teeny bit more, just because I felt like I hadn't been ticking bottom. And so I was like, oh, I'm gonna tuck cast, and then got a little 2-incher again, and then yeah, right away I missed a fish, but I could tell that I hadn't gotten enough like connection between my dry fly and my nymph yet. So by the time anything that I was aware of was happening, the fish had already kind of spit it, I think. This fish right in front of me. Shit. Worst case scenario. Got snagged. It's actually a stick. I can't just like get upstream and pop it. I just want to spook that fish over there. I feel like this will be a fish this cast. I feel correctly. Oh shit. Stay in here, fat fucker. Looks like a fat female. I think it just totally ran out of frame and then just did a fat McJumper. It's probably about to do the same. I thought I was about to run out of this hole. Isn't it awesome when you go to a spot that you're like, I don't know, should I go there? Should I go there? Should I go there? And then you do, and you're like, oh, nice fish. There's some sticks I really don't want her to get into. Can't tell. Oh, it looks like a he actually. I'm gonna show you off, buddy. Nice 16, maybe 15, 16, but fat. And got that cool green back, you know what I'm saying? Gee, sorry, little freaking 1-inch fish. Gee, sorry, little guy. Kind of popping it a little. I literally went to just pick up my flies, and I had a 2-incher on that I apparently can't land. Okay, so the jigging gets their attention. These ones are small, but what kind of stab was that? These ones are small, but you know, if it's gonna get their attention, you'll take it. Little guys, I mean micros. Just like I said last time, I'm okay with micros. Surprisingly. The jigging I'm doing, it's not even affecting the dry fly. I'm just jigging. Enough to move the nymph below, but not the dry fly above. Am I like fishing follow-up or something? How am I not just like wreaking havoc on fish right now? Well, you can see why I had the dry dropper on there. It's like, is there even like current? Dude, this mosquito is determined. That is so funny. Literally, it was like just sitting there motionless almost. And then I was like, oh, I think I saw a twitch. And then I must have been right. He got in some sticks and I just pulled them out. Fat little 10-incher or something, but fat. So I'll come over. Not terrible. It's doing that jiggy thingy again. Okay, so there's just a lot of like fucking tiny fish in this spot. On the dry, baby. Cool. What is the deal with me like stripping like 2 feet too much slack every time? Trying to keep the dropper out of the net when I land these because they have been doing a fantastic job screwing up my line. Jeez, it's hard to remember which hand to hold it in for the camera. You know what I'm saying? For me, like a million miles away from the camera. Another 8-incher, but feisty and fresh. Wow, the storm is a-brewing. A little nervous. Rain, rain, go away. Jeez, that's a beast of a whitey, man. Sick. So, you know how I told that story? Maybe last time I was fishing, I encountered a spin fisherman. It was a really good encounter. Well, I just encountered a fly fisherman this time. Look at this fucker. Look at this fucking dude. He's walked up on my hole, said, hey, sorry, and then just walked from right where I was fishing that, walked all through there, through casts. Now he's walking up to there where I just told him I was gonna fish. Fucking moron. Try and see if I can point this out. You see that right there? It's called virga. It's when the rain is falling, but it hasn't hit the ground yet. I think the forecast was calling for rain. It's supposed to just be cloudy. 0% chance of precipitation. Shit, come on camera, focus. All right, I was going to record more, but I'm calling it for the recording. I'm gonna fish a teeny bit, but I gotta pack all my shit up. The rain's starting. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck.